What's up, guys? This is Ty from Ty's Auto Works, and I'm back again with another video for you guys. But today's video, I don't think it's gonna be that long, and I'm gonna be unboxing something I got in the mail. Dun dun dun. So let's get into it. So in this box right here, this one right here. This box, we're gonna open it right now. Well, I kind of open it, but I'm gonna open it. So, put this right here. There we go, boys and girls. The package is here. Oh, what's this? Oh, what's this? Billet mounts? What? 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 Look how shiny this is. Look, it's gleaming. Yes, guys, I know these aren't half-sport mounts, bro. Budget build, bro. Budget build. Hit the like button. Woo. One right there. It's hard doing this for one hand. Oh. Wow. Dude, it's just amazing me how shiny these are. Yo, check out the foot gear, bro. Check out the foot gear, bro. Get off of there. There we go. Ooh. Ooh. These are nice. These are nice. So I'm going to be putting in that one. And going to try to paint the transmission today. So let's see what we can get into today. Maybe a lot of things, I don't know. So we're gonna put this in today. Just, you know, simple. Ooh, where'd you get that, Ty? Where'd you get that, Ty? Oh, hold on. Where'd you get that?
I was jugging, finessing, and flexing.
You already know, man. You know, like, you know, I'm not rich, but, you know, I come across deals. You just gotta look around, man. You gotta look around. But let me get into putting this rear mount in, and then we'll work on the transmission. Woo! Okay, so I got the rear mount on right there. Looks nice and clean. Don't mind the old rusty parts. Right now, I am going to. Right now, I'm actually running the rear brake lines. Here, guys, take a look. As you can see, oh, my finger was there. I made a little hole right there. Going to go in the car and flare it and run it all the way to the back. As you can see, the old brake line, 2 brake lines are right there. Right there. And those I am getting rid of. Not gonna need them. I have plenty of 3/16 brake lines. So just gonna make all new lines and go from there. Yeah. So I got the rear passenger line ran As you can see. Oh wait, you can't see. Hold on. Let me grab my light. Where is it? Oh, right here. As you can see, passenger rear line, yes, someone did cut the springs. I think it was the previous owner. Well, the guy that owned it before the previous owner, but whatever. Got the rear line ran all the way under. I ran out of 3/16 brake line. So looks like I'm gonna be prepping the transmission for paint. Finally. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna get to today. The other line, it should be fairly quick. It should be easy. I just have to go to the store and get some more 3/16 brake line. Shouldn't be a problem, but let's start prepping the transmission. Degreaser. I'm just using that gunk engine cleaner and degreaser. Pretty good mix. So I think that's good enough for now. What I'm gonna do is dry it off. Actually bring it in. So in the meantime of the transmission case drying, I've been just putting a few things together. Roxy, I've just been buttoning up the grounds. I did take the paint off on the bottom. I also did this one. Well, you can see this one better. Wait, okay. There we go. What else did I do? Oh, I made this look cleaner. Right here. This wire right here. Usually this isn't ran inside here. So this is in here. This is tucked. Clutch master cylinder. It's going to be tucked along with everything else. Here we go. First coat. So there it is, guys. The transmission is painted, currently curing, drying. That's it for the video today. If you're still watching this and you like the content, hit that like button, hit that notification button, hit that subscribe button. There will be more videos in store. So stay tuned, stay humble, and stay blessed. I'll see you guys later.